Garlic Sailfish Pilaf or Garlic Sailfish Rice Bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the pilaf recipes and one of the most unique of the fish recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the sailfish recipes and one of the most different of the seafood recipes and most unique of the rice recipes and one of the most tastiest of the biryani recipes. We are going to make garlic sailfish pilaf. We have taken 300 to 400 grams of sailfish meat, which I have cut into cubes. Put in the ground mixture of 1 chili, 1 spoon of fennel, 15 grams of ginger, 15 grams of garlic, and 1 spoon of fenugreek seeds. Ground together. Mix. We put in salt in the mixture too. Mix thoroughly. Mix the ground mixture thoroughly with the sailfish pieces. And let the mixture rest in the marinade for 1 hour. Mix so that it's nicely incorporated with the sailfish meat. Ingredients are 3 to 4 sprigs of curry leaves, 10 to 15 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 20 cloves of garlic cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the garlic. Saute. Put in the shallot. Saute. Saute. Put in ginger, salt, caraway salt mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Put in the curry leaves. Salt. Parsley salt. Now put in the sailfish pieces, which we marinated. Pour in 150 to 200 ml of water. Mix. Put in salt to taste. Put in some curry leaves. Mix and let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 15 to 20 minutes. 1.25 cup water. Put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let this mixture cook for 8 to 10 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the garlic sailfish pulao is ready, or garlic sailfish pilaf is ready. Can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final garlic sailfish pilaf or garlic sailfish rice bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes and one of the most unique of the fish recipes and one of the most different of the seafood recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.